To install a 2015 Ford Transit sliding door handle latch. Man, it looks cool. And I got the new one. The cables are already hooked up. So I suggest just to take the pictures first off, people. So if you miss something from the video, you know how to hook it up. Caps, pop them off.
Hammer tool's easier.
Easy, just pop them right off. I ended up using a razor blade. Alright, screws out, this comes right off. See the lip here and there? Look, slide it up. Okay, so let's look at it. All we gotta do is take this out here. Look. Slide that piece out. This turns here. And that cable will come right out. Look at that. Same thing, other side. Just pull this lip out here. Right here. Comes out. This turns.
Pulls out.
It's hard to do this holding the camera. So it should be a bit easier for you. Alright, a bit easier for you. Alright, I'm on the outside door of the truck. The cable runs into here. You're gonna unhook it from here. And then it'll pull out to this piece here.
So it's in there like that, you just turn it. It'll be in there, and you turn it. It'll slide in.
This one runs down to the bottom. Runs straight through there. And came through this hole, and that's where we unhooked it down there. Now I'm going to take these 3 star bit screws out. Pop the 2 covers off, there's a star bit under there. Okay, you take the star bit out of there, and then come back to the outside. Use a panel tool and a tab where you can pull it. Then this should just slide out. Like the other one should just slide to the side and come out. Just like that.
Okay, I just loosened it a bit and it fell right there.
It looks like a bigger headache. It is, I guess. I guess if you can stay calm, it's not too bad, huh?